Going to take this back light back out and sort out the wee pinhole down the bottom with some hot glue and hairdryer the condensation that was left over from the last wee project we done. Just going to get some black paint for the carpet for the wee Arosa and get the hot glue for the back light. I've still not found that bolt yet. Typical. Just going to get the spray paint for the Arosa and get the hot glue for the wee Holomed to get rid of the water in the light. And my bag should be going down in my car. Very slow on the airline I'm using, but aye well, it's still air though, isn't it? There's the first glimpse of my daily. So I'm done at the pound shop, just walking all the Home Bargains to get some hot glue gun sticks to do that wee light. Picked up the kids from school. There's Mr. Speedy off. Fail. Home Bargains to get the glue sticks. Just going to go get the light bulb for the fucking garage. That's it. And the mile we go.
On a Monday.
wait for no traffic lights. The other one. Lift the other one. You're going to blow my hair right up, man. Honestly. Women doing man's jobs. Liverpool Power, 1 litre. Let's hope my lovely assistant gets my airbags down this time, they bother. It is the slowest air ride setup I've ever seen in my life, but hey, it works. Right, let's go with this stuff and let's do the back light and spray paint this carpet. That's a whole 4 minutes and 44 seconds of me in the town getting parts for the Arosa. Let's get stuff done, get my light in the garage and let's get in there and get it sorted. Climb up there and get that light and test the bulb I got at Wilson's, what you just seen me get with my all day shopping experience. Whoa. But I now, you've all seen it on camera. Beloved Mark 1. Wow, jumping on it. Super! But like, let's go and try what's happening with the bulb. Oh, I've got the wrong one. I know it. But, funnily enough, my friend has given me one in the past. What I'll use, I think, is it got a plug on it? Is it fused? No, but I think that's the one with the bulb I got there. Just as well, I've got a few of these lights, floodlights to get us going. That's the lights working in here. Just going to get the place tidied up. It's absolutely messy all over. And then we'll get back to it about spray painting the carpet, what the video was really about. The last video was about the light, but it is still full of condensation. I put the hairdryer on it. I'm going to hot glue gun the wee hole up so there's no hot air mixing with the cold air inside the light, and boom, hopefully that'll work. We'll get back to you after we tidy the garage all. That's garage all tidied. Enough room to do what we need to do anyway. Here's the grey black carpet thing I'm doing. I'll try and set these up for a wee time lapse and you can watch me spray it. 2 minutes. that coal in the light of the day and still condensation in it. I'll need to wait till tomorrow, try and get the rest of that away. I've got the hot glue gun. I think I'm going to sail all the way around there with hot glue as well, because it must have got in there somehow, the water, in the first reason, so that'll need done. As you can see, I finished off the carpet. There's probably about £10 of paint in there. But we'll need to sort that out because I'll need to go to the scrapyard to get a new carpet. Well, subscribe to more for more and we'll see what happens tomorrow for the rest of it all.